This time of year, we get lots of requests for recipes that are lighter, fresher, and ones where you don't have to heat up the kitchen. So rather than suggesting just any old salad, we came up with an Asian-inspired chicken salad that is incredible. We start by sauteing a few chicken breasts that we've cut up in a little sesame oil just until they're cooked through. Now we take those out of the pan and add a bit more oil along with some sesame seeds and minced garlic. Once they're golden, we add some soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, and a little vegetable oil, and we'll let that simmer. That'll be our dressing. While this is doing its thing, we add some snow peas and carrots, our cut up chicken, and the dressing to our Chinese cabbage. And all that's left to do is toss everything together, and what we end up with is an incredible main dish salad that comes together in minutes. So if you're looking for a change of pace dinner idea, go online and get the recipe for our Chinese cabbage and chicken salad. One forkful is all it'll take and you'll fall in love with it. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh and tasty way for you to say, ooh, it's so good. Nice.